Today, we talk about...
Hey, okay, so that's so freaking dangerous, my guy, but we're gonna get inside of it. Put that away. Okay, so, oh God. Here's all this. Oh, well, I like the new goat style boxes. Go verified. There you go. Okay, so pull this guy out. Shut up. So let's bring this over to the station. Let's make it happen in the station. Okay. Made in USA. Get it? United States flag. Am I right? Been in the US for over 75 years. Not every part of it. I think it only has to be like 70% made in the US for it to qualify for that label or something like that. But it is what it is. Hi! Okay, so here you have it. The M997 Kith, I believe is the K. Anyway, Classiques, 11.5, what it do? So, bop, dope, authenticated by Va, UH, something, day to day, whatever, itty what itty. Got it cheaper there, so I had to go with it. Just noticed this, what does this say? With over 75 years of authentic American craftsmanship, New Balance Made is designed without compromise. This pair represents our unwavering commitment to those who walk their own path, like me. Okay, so, made in the USA. Oh, shit. Oh, Lord have mercy. Oof. Bruh. Lord have mercy, I thought hurricane season was over. Yo. Now, let me preface this by saying I am super tight. I can't get a hold of the original 997.5s that this United Arrows colorway came in, or collab came in. Here is more of just a 997 upper. Granted, compared to the traditional 997, this is new. Really like this new addition to it, this changing colors of the stitching, the vintaging of the midsole. I don't mind as much here since it does go on theme with the original version of the 997s that Kanye once wore, if you don't recall what that looked like. Bop. There you go. So the other nice thing they changed up with the classic 997s is this little added piece which they borrowed from the 998. So the way the 997.5 was working was you would get a 997 upper with a 998 midsole and outsole. And that 998 midsole has that little piece to it. So I'm glad he incorporated that into the 997. So this is not your classic 997. So I'll forgive it. Am I right? The nice little MB branding there. Everything else is pretty much on theme. The only other thing which I really hate that he did, but I understand why he did, is the tongue is black instead of gray like the original. You got to make some things different from the original to not piss off the original collectors. I did hunt down, or try to hunt down, a 997.5 OG, but the problem is I couldn't find any in my size, and the ones I did were like crumbling midsoles and ish, and I ain't about that life, you know what I'm saying? Oh, God, man. The bop of pink on this is just too bop! Fuck! Now, of course, the other added nice touch is these laces, which are super boppity. I remember seeing the camp out, bop, rocking these pink laces, which create, in my personal opinion, creates too much of a bop. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's only so much bop you can get away with, in my opinion. Now, for his outfit, that was super boppity, but for me, it's like even the purple is a little bit too much bop in your face, and the black is just not enough bop. So what I'm gonna defer to is keeping that white lace, baby. White laces, tone of my voice, we here. So yeah, that's the plan. Otherwise, why don't I just show a comparison to y'all of all the ish I've been trying to tell y'all about. So let's bring this with us here. Come on into the shoe gallery. Let's see, we are gonna go, not this way. We are actually gonna go to the New Balance section. So here we go. This is a classic 997. As you can see, it doesn't have that little added midsole piece. That's new. That would be more of a 998 piece. So this is a 998. You can see the absorb cushioning technology as opposed to the end cap cushioning technology on the 997s. The classic 997s have this 997 written here. This one has it written here. This one is still end cap as far as the 997 midsole goes. Bop, bop. But the original United Arrows collab had the absorb midsole with the added piece there. At least they brought over that added piece for true to form color blocking. So that's dope. Obviously this stitching is on point but varied, which I'm a really big fan of. Good shit, Ronnie. I really enjoy that. Just for that, let's just say I'd let you suck a fart out of my butt mouth. That sounded so stupid. It sounded like an insult, but it was actually a compliment. But it's really an insult because it's disgusting. Fuck you, Charlemagne. But as you can see, yeah, so the 997 obviously missing from this piece, but otherwise they're very much true to form, which is dope. But yeah, that's about all I got to say on the matter. So yeah, White Lace Gang, we in this. Gang, gang. That's going to be the move. Going to be very wearable, especially because it allows for maximum boppage without too much boppage, in my style, in my opinion. These would work really great with the Teddy Freshes, I think, actually. More on that. Stay tuned. But with that said, thanks for sticking around. We'll see you on the next one. We out.